So today we got a cool adventure. We are going to walk across this old train bridge owned by the Housatonic Railroad. Although it's abandoned because look how rusty the rails are. And you saw down there the rail crossing, there's dirt over the rails. So I just read these are Lackawanna rails. And it says 1928 right there. Pretty old. Ooh, I gotta step on these ties. How can I go over here? Huh. Easy. So back in the day, a train would ride over this. Hey! Is it safe to walk on this?
I'd rather just, it's scary when you look down, so I'd rather just walk on these things.
Wow, look at the Housatonic River. You wonder why this railroad gets its name from the river right next to it. See the tracks here. Do we have anything? Nice. Oops. Alright, let's just do some walking over here. First time exploring a train bridge. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm tripping over here. This is some thick ties down there. Ah, look at it out there. Yeah.
Very unsafe.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah, we tried fishing in this river earlier. No luck. Not even a bite. I don't like walking between those ties. Look down there. Look at this structure. It's kind of dark. Oh yeah, this is enough room to have 2 tracks here. No. This used to be another space for a second track to go over. Oh my god, it's so dark. I can't
Why is
believe
it
it.
curved? See how it's curved? Like it's joining in or something? Maybe
Might have.
We'll park the second train this way and let the other train pass or something.
This might have, I don't know what that is. Anyway, this is the structure. These are the tracks right over there. And on this side, the left side, there's room for a second track. Which I assume... Ooh, look that.
Yeah, watch out. Oh my
Oh, a
god.
humongous hole. I can't see on camera, but there's a humongous hole next to us. Look out there. Maybe I'll come again when it's bright out. Because I can see fine, but the camera doesn't pick up well. Imagine how many railroad ties. Like I built the railroad at home, but
These things on, bro.
I don't know.
Those are railroad ties?
Oh, those are nails. I don't know.
Yeah, are they called railroad nails or something?
It's like I was saying. Yeah, these it's all rotten wood up here. So how much work it took me to saw like 2-foot pieces of wood. And look how many ties have to be used on a real railroad. Jeez. All this wood that has to be cut.
Usually they allow people to walk on this. It's so dangerous.
No, but look, it's an adventure.
It's not like, tying from here to off.
I don't like that. So this is a very old railroad bridge. So another one just like it down the railroad down there that the Metro North uses. Oh my god. Oh, that's scary. You look down? I'm looking at the ties. Look down. Jesus Christ. Alright, you're making me. Glad this is still a solid structure. Look at all of it up here.
Oh, another one.
Some of these holes. That's an abandoned side, so is this. It's still usable, this bridge, for a train to go over, but it's out of service. It's not abandoned, I think it's out of service. That's the word.
I really fast on this thing. I didn't even look down. I'm just like, now I'm like, oh my god, I can't get a little bicycle.
Yeah.
Look, there's a railroad crossing,
It's a long
okay?
time to get back.
So we made it to the other side of this bridge here. You want to go to that railroad crossing, Yami?
You want to? You want to? Okay, let's go.
Alright. Thanks for watching. It's a cool adventure going on this bridge. Old train bridge. Alright.